Hello, my name is Ricky Khamis, and I'm here to tell you about VA loans and why they are the perfect fit for veterans looking to purchase real estate. A VA loan is a mortgage loan offered to veterans, service members, and surviving spouses of those who have served in the armed forces. VA loans are designed to help veterans become homeowners and are backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. This means that they come with exclusive benefits that are not available with traditional mortgage loans. Some of these benefits include lower interest rates, no down payment requirements, and lower closing costs. VA loans also offer flexible repayment options, allowing veterans to choose a repayment plan that works best for them. In addition, VA loans are available to veterans with less than perfect credit. This means that even if you don't have perfect credit, you can still qualify for a VA loan. At Unity Home Loans, we understand the unique needs of veterans, and we are dedicated to helping them become homeowners. We are here to help veterans navigate the VA loan process and make homeownership a reality. When you work with our veteran-friendly team, realtor, title, insurance company, appraisers, and lenders, you are assured the best possible loan with the best terms. A lot of times we have been able to move in veterans with no money down and no money out of pocket. Yes, move in with no money out of pocket and no payment for 30 to 45 days. Thank you for your time and your service. I'm Ricky Khamis, president of Unity Home Loans, and we look forward to helping you make your dream of homeownership a reality.